I see the economy is doing quite well. I think we were among the countries where the lockdown was not that harsh. We had no curfews. We had only a small fall in GDP last year, and this year we are coming up again. And we, at the end of the year, we will be on pre-pandemic levels with unemployment, GDP, and so on. So we are doing quite well.
Your ability as a central banker to affect the economy here is highly restricted because of the peg that you have to the euro, the stated peg to the euro. But you also have this negative interest rate policy. You were one of the first, if not the first, to go negative. How's negative working out?
Well, our experience is that there are not that big difference between negative interest rates and low positive interest rates. It could seem like a paradox, but in our experience is that it is working quite well.
Was there a lot of debate about going negative?
No, in fact not, because it was necessary to keep the peg. We started in 2012, so we are maybe the central bank in the world with the longest experience with negative interest rates. There were some technicalities in the beginning. We have to be sure that, for example, that the banking system could handle negative interest rates. But they changed their systems, and now they have been for long, have been able to cope with negative interest rates.
So for 10 years, Denmark has turned traditional banking on its head.
Yeah.
The peg of the Danish kroner to the euro.
Yes.
Which has been there for 20, 30 years.
30 plus.
Yes. 30 plus years. And your main goal, the Fed has a twin goal, price stability and full employment. Yes. The ECB has an asymmetric now 2% plus, Bank of England. What's your policy goal?
To keep the peg. It's very simple.
That's it?
Yes.
To keep the peg?
Yeah. And we are also quite busy telling the public and government and parliament that if we have this mandate of keeping the peg, we can't use interest rate weapon or interest rate instruments to anything else but the peg.
And if Denmark's economy is in sync with the EU or the Eurozone economies, and that all works really well, because as the ECB sets rates, you will set rates to accommodate, to keep the peg at whatever the range is, the narrow range is. But if it's not, you have no ability to stimulate or to slow down the economy in Denmark.
No, that's right. And everybody should be aware of that.
The central bank's power may be limited by the peg to the euro, but its role in Denmark's financial system goes much deeper. It's all about instilling confidence. As if to prove the point, the governor took me on a tour through the halls of the central bank. And in the austere grandeur of its vast lobby, I immediately got the message. This is the Danish physical version of Don't Fight the Fed.
Explain this vast lobby in the central bank.
Well, it is one of the cornerstones of the building. I think it's the architecture of power. Don't mess with us. We are powerful, and we are more powerful than you are.
Why is that important?
Because central banking is all about trust. We should be trustworthy. We should be strong.